Day 6, and they already washed out the stall. This bedding was the bedding that was under the tarp, and we're replenishing with 3 new bags of bedding. You could tell right there is a new bag of bedding. Absolutely zero difference from the other bedding that has been underneath it for 6 days. No color difference whatsoever. It does not fade. It, again, has no hay, no dust. You can see when he's pouring it out, absolutely no dust coming from the product. Spreads nicely, and you can definitely smell it. ¿Tú lo huele, verdad?
Sí.
Yeah. You could definitely smell the tree oils. So it's nicely set. Day 6, still holding up very well. And again, this is in comparison to the stall right next to it. This is the product they use on a day in, day out basis. Look at the difference in coloring, the dustiness. And here is Aggie back in the barn. Just got her feed. Everything looking good for day 6. Seems to be very happy and content. All good here.